One of the reasons businesses run into trouble financially is because they're unaware that there are in fact two types of income. And this is a bit of a trick that's been played on business owners, is that you get all this money in your bank account and you think it belongs to you, all of it. The truth is it doesn't. You see, there are two types of income. And if we describe the money that we get in our bank account as not as income, but if we describe that as money received, it's just simply money we've received. Then we take that money and we divide it into two buckets or two piles. The first is unusable income. This is money you cannot use because it does not belong to you, does not belong to the business. Examples of that are sales tax. Very simple example. Sales tax, you're just collecting it on behalf of the government. It doesn't actually belong to you. Another example is, say, the cost of goods sold, the material costs of what you've delivered, whether it's if it's a product, you've got raw material costs, or if it's a service, you've got materials involved in the service. You've also got staff wages and things. So this all comes under the category of unusable income. So you've got to take that away straight away. You've got to put that money aside. The remainder is what we call true income. And with true income, you apply the rich habits allocation system in order to make sure that the business can survive and continue to prosper and become richer and richer and richer. So therefore, we have these three things. We've got the money received, we've got our unusable income, and we've got our true income. And therefore, we have a rich habits formula. True income equals money received minus unusable income. And it's the true income that you can actually do something with. Now, what happens to a business is if they just take all the money they receive and start spending it, they're creating a debt. They're creating a future problem because then they're going to have to pay their taxes at some point. They're going to have to pay their salaries at some point. So this is a vital step in managing your money. And if you want to know more, all of this and more is covered in my book, Rich Habits. So if you're running into financial difficulty, whether personally or in your business, learning the rich habits will help get you out of there. And in the book, I also cover how to get out of debt, which is part of my own personal story, and it's something that I've helped many people do. And remember this, if you know and follow the rich habits, never again will you be poor or broke. Thanks for watching.